If you want to learn how to browse in Firefox, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the basics step by step so you can open websites, search the web, switch between tabs, and bookmark pages with confidence. Whether you're brand new to Firefox or just need a quick refresher, this guide will make the process simple and easy to follow. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech videos just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first step is to open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. You can do this by clicking the Firefox icon on your desktop, on your taskbar, or from your Start menu if you're using Windows. Once Firefox opens, you'll see the main browser window, and right at the top, you'll notice the address bar. This is one of the most important parts of the browser because it's where you type websites and search terms. If you already know the exact website you want to visit, just click in the address bar and type the web address. For example, you could type something like www.wikipedia.org. Then press Enter on your keyboard. Firefox will take you directly to that website. Now, if you don't know the exact website address, that's totally fine. You can simply type what you're looking for, like WhatsApp, YouTube, or news, and then press Enter. Firefox will use your default search engine to show you search results. From there, you can click any result that looks helpful and open that page. Once you're on a website, browsing is as easy as clicking links. Websites often have menus, buttons, articles, and images you can select to move around and discover more pages. This is how you go from one page to another while browsing the internet. If you want to open another site without closing the one you're already on, you can use a new tab. Just click the New Tab Plus button at the top of Firefox. A new tab opens instantly, so you can visit another website while keeping your current page open. This is really useful when you want to compare information, keep a video or article open, or move between several sites at once. You can also use keyboard shortcuts to make this even faster. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl and T together to open a new tab. On Mac, press Command and T. Once you have multiple tabs open, Firefox makes it easy to move between them. Just click the tab you want to view, and it will appear on screen. If you need to go back to a page you were just on, use the back button near the top of the browser. This takes you to the previous page in your browsing history. If you go back too far, you can use the forward button to move ahead again. And if a page isn't loading properly or you want to see the latest version of it, click the refresh button or press F5 on your keyboard. This reloads the current web page and can often fix small loading issues. Another great feature in Firefox is bookmarking. If you find a website you know you'll want to return to later, click the star icon on the right side of the address bar. Firefox will save that page as a bookmark, making it quick and easy to open again in the future. This is perfect for favorite news sites, school resources, work pages, or anything you visit often. Finally, when you're done with a web page, you can close that tab by clicking the X on the tab itself. If you still have other tabs open, those will stay right where they are. You can keep several tabs open at once and switch between them whenever you need to. And that's how to browse in Firefox, step by step. You've learned how to open the browser, use the address bar, search for websites, open new tabs, navigate between pages, bookmark favorites, and close tabs when you're finished. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.